IndyCar newcomer Robert Wickens looked set for a shock victory in his debut race in the series, controlling the street Petersburg GP from pole until Andretti Autosport's Alexander Rossi slid into him on the second-to-last lap, following a confusing safety car restart, ending up stranded at the first corner while Sebastian Bourdais went on to win the race. Wickens was left to rue both. It was all a little bit confusing because I was told we were going green, but they didn't turn the lights off the pace car, so I didn't get the best restart I could have done, said Wickens, referring to the race going back to green on lap 108 of 110, with Rossi getting a good run on the Canadian. Moving up on the inside, on the marbles, Rossi lost it and hit Wickens, and the two have different takes on the incident. I defended a little bit, but then I realized if I went any further, it would have been blocking, so I opened up, let him have the inside and just broke as late as possible and gave him enough space on the inside. And from my point of view, he broke too late. The track was too dirty offline, Wickens told racer. Rossi, for his part, argued the Schmidt-Peterson Motorsport racer gave him little choice in both sending it up the inside and then hanging it out there. I made the pop. He defended the position, which he has the right to do, but in doing so, in moving the reaction, he put me into the marbles pretty late into the corner.